In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. So if you can't turn on your iPhone is completely stuck on the Apple logo, then here's how we actually can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, the only way that you can do, you just need to force restart your iPhone. Go ahead and press and release the volume up, then press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. This will take a little time, and after that, once you see the Apple logo, just go ahead and release the button, and this will force restart your iPhone, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you still have the same problem, then you just need to do the same process over and over again for 2 or 3 times, and most likely this will help you to get back from here. And this is the only way to fix this problem. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.